I'll say the first day was horrible. I was like, you know, I had the chills, I was shaking, I had a fever.
You don't want to be in the corporate grind all your life. Now that's going to happen later when you have kids and a house and all that stuff. And even if you do have kids in a house, you should do it anyway. Go out there, be a schoolie. Oh,
I'm filming.
you're filming?
Yeah.
Is it on right now? Hi, everybody. How's it going? I'm Dad.
I'm waiting on Sean right now. He's at Home Depot, like where else? I just needed a few more drill bits this morning. I never have coffee, so you know that today is an important day. We're coming back around and remaking that door for our under storage box right now. I'll show you what it looks like and how all the rivets came out.
Hello, online people. I just wanted to tell you a quick story about Ashley and Sean and their school bus. So Ashley and Sean came up to me one morning and said, Dad, thinking about building a school bus and going across country. Ashley said it very hesitantly because she has a lot of respect, wanted to know my opinion. The first thing I thought of was, yes, you should do it. It's an awesome experience to do something like that. So immediately her eyes lit up and we talked about it. Building a school bus, doing a skoolie is awesome. You should definitely go for it, especially if you're young. Even if you're old, doesn't matter. Because you need to see the world. You need to see the United States. There's so many amazing things out there for you to see. I wanted Sean and Ashley to experience those different cultures, to see the Grand Canyon, Zion Park, and I've done it myself. When I was young, I took off. I was out there for 4 weeks. I'll admit I stole some corn on the side of the road because I was hungry, but those are the best times of my life. So my encouragement to all you schoolies out there is to do it. Get out there, go see the country, build your school bus, be creative, and don't worry about anybody, what they're gonna say. You just do it and build that thing the best you can.
He got home, he immediately went to make a cup of coffee. What did you get?
I got a grinder for $10, a rivet press for like
Sean.
$3.
I bought you a grinder, it's coming today.
No, you didn't.
A good one.
What?
I told Ashley as soon as you left, I'm like, don't let him buy a grinder. I bought him one, it's coming today.
What'd you do?
I was gonna actually wrap it in paper in the whole thing.
Why are you sweaty?
At the bus. So, if you guys watched last week, you saw our minor catastrophe, I guess. I kind of messed up the door that we were doing on our outside storage box. So this week our goal is to hop back on it, start over from scratch, and you guys get to see what the door ends up looking like. Sean created a metal frame this time rather than a wooden frame so that it would be more sturdy and all that. Now, instead of wrapping it, we got a new piece of metal that we're riveting around the corners. So these rivets have to be really particular, really perfect. So I hope it goes okay, because this is our second chance now. How's it going out here?
It's going very well. I'm sweating. I feel gross.
This is your workout for this morning.
Seriously, these rivets are like a freaking forearm workout. Like, watch this. Ready? You gotta apply downward pressure.
You're weird. It's coming out nice.
Right? Doesn't it look freaking awesome?
Yeah, it's very, it's subtle.
Thing. And basically just line up the hole like nice and even. Each one is an inch off the side. So just wanted to make sure it was very, is congruent the word? It's congruent?
I was wondering if this week, if you wanted to talk about what's been going on the past few months.
You're talking about COVID. I was a sick boy. I'll say the first day was horrible. I was like, I had the chills, I was shaking, I had a fever. But then after that first day, I felt like I had a cold. And I got over it 2 days later, pretty much. But the worst part about it was getting my brain swabbed.
Oh.
With those things up in the nostrils.
Yeah, we all had to.
I couldn't work for a few freaking weeks. It was like, I want to say like 4 or 5 weeks because I couldn't get a negative test. Look at everything as a positive. It gave me time to work on the bus. I got a lot done. I was keeping my distance. It also kind of propelled me into this working from home mindset because we're going to need to work from home when we're living on the bus. And it propelled me into a position where I can work from home. And, I'm still wrapping my hands around that. I'm sweating.
So the main issue with this, because Sean was out of work, we just haven't had the funds to be working on the bus at the same pace. And that's okay, but we're kind of developing a new plan as far as actually thinking of a takeoff with the bus, like possibly sooner than we thought, but we're not ready to talk about that yet.
Stay tuned.
So yeah. Here's the original.
Dust box.
All banged up. Here's the new one. Why does it look too big?
Maybe it is too big. Oh, it looks much better.
So which one's better?
It looks so much better.
I don't know. Maybe it doesn't look like much of a difference to you guys, but
Doesn't it look amazing?
yeah, it's nice. Lashed up. Nice. Obviously, it's gonna work a whole lot better than this thing that we made before. The big reveal. Wow. Nice. We did it.
It's perfect,
It's
babe.
perfect.
It looks awesome.
It doesn't sit flat right now because we'll have to trim off a little bit more of this metal, but it will then sit nice and flat. And we're going to attach a little lock on the side here that then goes to the box.
I think it looks so
It looks
good.
beautiful. So this is our outdoor kitchen. And then hold it up here on the gas struts. Last week, we have so much storage in here.
Need to wipe down, that's for sure. Figure it out. Yeah. I love it. I really do.
What was your honeymoon with Mom?
My honeymoon, Denise and I bought a bunch of pots and pans, tents and sleeping bags, put it all in boxes, and flew with it to Seattle, and then drove down the coast in a minivan across and saw all the national parks, all the beautiful parks, Yellowstone, Yosemite, Mount Rushmore, all of it. We were out there for 4 weeks camping, and we had the time of our lives. That's what I'm saying. You gotta go. You gotta do these things. You don't wanna be in the corporate grind all your life. Now that's gonna happen later when you have kids and a house and all that stuff. And even if you do have kids in a house, you should do it anyway. Go out there, be a schoolie. Signing off. Thank you. Shalom.